Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for coming and watching my videos recently. I'm truly so happy for that. Like, very grateful. Thank you so much for supporting me. It's fun to watch my channel grow. Anyway, today is going to be an unboxing of the Boxy charm. I had mentioned in my last video that that would be the next time that I would post, would be when I got my new Boxy charm box. Now, this took forever to come. It's now, what, the 19th, I think? And it just came in the mail. So, half the month's gone, more than half the month's gone before this got here. Anyway, it's a $21 a month subscription. You get it every month, normally around like the middle of the month, not towards the end. It's got normally full-size products in it. It's a really good box. I enjoy getting these boxes. I've only gotten a couple of them, but I really enjoy getting these. There's a lot of good products that come in these. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. I'm excited. I have not seen... I've seen thumbnails where people had said that it was bad, and I've seen thumbnails that people said it was good. So, and you can get 3 different variations of the box. And I thought it told you on the thing, but I don't see anywhere on my box where it says like a variation. I don't know, but you can get 3 different variations of it. All right, so when you open it up, that's what it looks like. That's cute. And it says, "'Tis the sea sun." Sea sun. That's cool. Sea sun. And then it tells you a list of the things that are on the back, and I believe it tells you the price. Yeah, it tells you the price of them too. So, this is what's in there. So, let's see. Of course, I'm going to pull the biggest thing out. I never wait till last for that. I always do that first. And this is what I see first. So, this is Pretty Vulgar. The Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder. Nice. I can definitely use this. Mad about it. This weightless skin smoothing translucent setting powder locks your makeup into place while enhancing the look of your foundation. The soft puff applicator delivers the right amount of powder, blurring and filling fine lines and minimizing the appearance of pores. This specially formulated powder absorbs excess oils and reduces shine, leaving behind a soft matte finish. And it is priced at $32. I really like the packaging. It's really pretty. I like that. And it's got all little designs on the side. Feels really nice. Aw, it's pink. I won't use the puff, but it's pretty. And it's sealed. Hate these seals. They're hard to get off. Oh, I definitely need this because right now I've been using the Milani and I ran out of it. And then I switched on to the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm really not liking it at all. So, there's the powder. Oh, it's like silky. I like that. Of course, I gotta smell everything. It actually does have a smell to it. But I can't explain it. It's not a powder smell, it's more of a fragrance smell. Anyway, I definitely give this a shot. I'm pretty happy about that. And there's a lot in there. There is 0.88 ounces. Excited. Translucent setting powder. Okay. Alright, so the next thing I am pulling out is... I don't know if you can see it. Alright, so it is Cosmetics Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. Detoxify your pores from daily grime with Cosmetics Activated Charcoal Mask. Yeah, I can't say that. Dimisuous? I don't know. You guys know I'm not good at pronouncing stuff. Earth visibly improves the brightness of your skin while the activated charcoal and another one, kaolin, Kaolin, clay, draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. And this is $30. value. And it says, apply a generous amount to clean damp skin, massage into skin using a circular motion, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Can be used up to 3 times per week. So, I'm not the biggest fan of the masks. I like the sheet masks because they're a lot easier and less dirty to deal with. But it's okay. I'll use it. Smells definitely smells like I can't even pinpoint it. It's definitely fragrance. I know, I'm really stupid. I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't smell bad. But it's gritty, for sure. Let's see if that dries down by the end of the video. And now, I don't have a makeup wipe, of course, by me to get this off my fingers. That's great. Use this little sticky thing that came off of the setting powder to try to get it off. Oh well. Alright, let's see how that dries down. Okay, so next thing is bodyography? I don't know. I've never heard of it. I don't know. Have you guys ever heard of this stuff? It is a lip pencil, of course. And it's lip liner, this vegan, cruelty-free bodyography. I think that's how you say it. Lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. This smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigments that can frame, fill, and define lips. Retail value of $12. I like the color. The color is nice. It's not like a gel glide. It's definitely like a rough pencil, like back in the day, eye pencils that we would use when we were teenagers. That's what this reminds me of. So I don't know about this. If you guys have used this, let me know in the comments. I'll try it. Of course, I'll try anything. Well, I'll try most stuff. Let me take that back. All right. So the next thing. Oh. Tarte's lip paint. Excited about that. I like Tarte products. And it's glitter, guys. Yay, glitter. I love glitter. Everybody knows I love glitter. I'm so happy about that. Can you tell? This sheer lip gloss is infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high shine finish. The reflective glitter gloss can stand alone or as a lip topper, giving your lips a fuller look. The sunflower seed wax and mineral pigments coat, soothe, and soften the lips. And it is a $20 retail value. So, let's see. I've been using a, I don't know if you can see the glitter on there now. I've been using a I think it's CoverGirl one. I like it. I use it almost every day. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that, little glitters. I love it. Love it, love it. Super excited about this. I don't know why people said it's a bad box. I wonder what now I can go back and watch what they got. Because I don't like to spoil it. I like to have the element of surprise when I open it for you guys. Oh, it's not sticky. It doesn't feel sticky yet. It's definitely glittery. I like it. I like it, I like it. Put it on top of this glitter, why not, right? It's pretty. I like it. Super excited. This will be probably an everyday product that I use. Thank you, Boxy Charm. I like that. Alright, and then there's a palette in here. I didn't even see. I didn't know. I like not knowing because then you get the surprise element. Last month we got a palette, and that's actually what I'm wearing on my eyes today. On the top, I'm wearing a glitter, of course. I was kind of lazy today. Didn't put any lashes on or anything, but I'm off, so didn't really feel like doing all that stuff. Of course, I got Christmas shopping to do and all that good stuff and work, so clean the house, you know, all that good stuff. Anyway, so here's the palette. Never heard of it. That's another reason why I like the Boxy Charm too, because you get things that you've never heard about. And that's nice to try new things and see if you like them. Alright, so this is Suva Beauty, S-U-V-A. Does that say? Yeah. Suva? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Suva's Beauty New Protege Palette is a versatile, warm, and cool-toned, I like cool tones, palette featuring 6 highly pigmented shimmer and matte shadows and 2 brilliant highlighters. And this is a suggested at $34. So let's see what's in there. Oh, that's nice, actually. Nice, just normal, everyday palette. I like that red. I love reds and pinks and purples on my eyes. I think it looks really good on me. So I guess we'll do some swatches and see how they look. Again, and I didn't bring a makeup wipe, but oh well. We'll figure it out. So I'm gonna do, I guess I'll do 2 mattes and 2 shimmers then. They feel nice. Well, that matte doesn't feel really that nice, but they're kind of buttery. Show you in 1 second. So that's 2 mattes, and then here's another shimmer. All right, so I swatched the red, this one, that one, and that one. And that's what they look like. I like that red. That's going to be nice. Let's see. Ooh. That goes on pretty nicely for a red. And, I mean, a lot of times reds will be patchy, and we all know that. But that actually looks pretty nice. And then there's, yeah, you're not going to see that. I mean, it's nice. It's buttery. I don't think you can see it. Probably not. Let's see what this shimmer looks like. Ooh, oh, yes. Look at that. My new favorite for now. That's pretty. I really like that. Let's see what this other shimmer looks like. Ooh, that's that orangey color. I'm not normally an orange person, but I would try that. I might even try that tomorrow. That's kind of cool looking. Oh, let me use this puff to clean off my fingertips. I know it's stupid, but I want to see how the highlighters are. Oh, actually, I could just use my other hand. Duh. Oh, that mask is dried down really nice. It's not sticky. It's not like tight where it's hurting my hand. And it still smells like charcoal. Basic charcoal stuff. Alright, so actually I'm going to do the 2 highlighters, and then I'll do the other 2 colors too, since now I'm being smart and using my other hand. Duh. Alright, so those are the 2 highlighters. Let's see. I've been using Wet n Wild highlight. I don't know if you guys have tried them. I really like them. Like, I bought the Christmas one, the 4 palette one. I think it was like $10. Those are pretty. I definitely like that one more than I like the gold because of my skin tone. But I've been, let's see. This is something we've got in our Itsby bag a while back, and it's almost gone. It's that Incredible Glow. It's like a jelly highlighter, and then I put the Wet n Wild on top of it. I really like it. I mean, it is a little glittery, but I really like it. So that kind of matches it. So I'll definitely give that a shot. And then what are we missing? We're missing the brown one and this Tact. The names are Poetic Structure, Aesthetic, Tact, Balance, and Conscious. And the highlighters are Era and Theory. Or Era, E-R-A, however you want to pronounce it. Alright, so there's one of the mattes. Well, you can actually see that one a little bit. That looks shimmery. That doesn't look like matte to me. That looks more shimmery. But Okay, so that's not going to show up. No. Oh, that was, I just did the same one again. Oh, man. All right, there it is. Oh, I ran into that stuff, that mask. There's the brown. And that actually looks kind of, that's a good basic color. So I would use that, you know, as my transition color. You could tell where the mask is, how it got dark. That's what I'm going to try tomorrow. I think I'm going to try, this is my transition. Or actually, I'll do this first. Probably the tacked all over the lid. Then I'll do this. And I don't know if I want to try the orange or if I want to go on the safe side and do the red. And then maybe take this structure and put it in the middle of the lid for the glitter. I don't know. We'll see. Definitely going to do this look. And then I will try to make sure for my next unboxing that I have this on so I can show you guys what it looks like. I'm still not really good about doing a get ready with me yet because I don't even leave the house without makeup on. So I'm not sure about showing YouTube my face without makeup on. Maybe one day I'll get there. We'll see about that. But anyway, I want to thank you guys so much for coming and watching my videos. You have no idea how much it means to me. I get super excited every time I see I got some more views. I know it's really cliche and all that stuff, but I get really happy about it. This is fun for me. I really enjoy this. And thank you again. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Please, it helps me out so much. Plus, it makes me smile and happy and giddy. And gotta tell everybody I got a like or I got a sub. I know I'm stupid. Anyway, so you guys, it is like, what, not 8 days, 7 days before Christmas. So I probably am not going to post anything until after Christmas. So I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. And I hope the dinners are yummy and everybody has a great time and family time and enjoy their day and just loving everybody and hanging out. I know I will. I'm going to have Christmas at my house, so that'll be really nice. Have the family over. You know, opening presents is always fun. I still have a crap of shopping to do, so that's actually what I'm getting ready to do now. I'm going to head out and go shopping. So, again, thank you. I know I've said it like 10 times now. I started the video saying thank you, and I'm ending the video saying thank you. Thank you for coming and watching, and stay tuned for the next box. Bye, guys.